This video is going to be about a special capo setting. Here's the capo I use. I don't know the name of it, but you can see it clips, and it allows you to keep some strings open. Okay, some capos will not allow that to happen. They actually snap off. There are specific capos that are higher end, they're in the $30 range, that allow you to capo pretty much any combination you want. I use the 2nd fret. So this allows the bottom 2 strings, the B and the E, to be open. The tricky thing is, as it capos the G string, sometimes it will nudge against the B string. So you may have to make sure it's open, otherwise it'll buzz out or it'll mute. The other thing to watch for is when using this setting that the low E or the top E string doesn't buzz. Okay, so that's what you have to do to get this type of sound, and I will strum some chords for you now. Okay, here are some open chords that I use with this capo setting. You find these chord progression on the song In a Dream on one of my projects called Cambria, C-A-E-M-B-R-I-A. I'll provide a link at the bottom. Another song I use it for is Arms Park. So again, this is the setting I use for the capo. Again, the 2nd fret, capoing the top 4 strings and leaving the bottom 2 open. And hope you enjoyed the video. And I will be subscribed to my channel if you wish.